If you are an overpacker, if you like comfortable backpack straps, if you like a good leather bag, then this is the bag for you. Today we are talking about the Andar Sydney diaper bag, and don't let the name diaper bag fool you. This bag is so good for anyone who likes a good quality leather bag. So let's get into the packing video and I'll show you how I have her all packed up. I'm going to be honest with you, I had trouble filling up this bag, and that says a lot because I like to carry a lot of stuff. If you're new here, I have 3 kids ages 10, 6, and almost 4, and you know, I like to be prepared when I'm out and about with my kiddos. So without further ado, let's show you the inside of the bag. Alright, so pulling the first large set piece out, this is an older print, but I just think it's so pretty. In here is where I'm keeping all of our family's snacks, so we don't get the hangries while we're out and about. Then next to it, I have another large set piece, and this is what I mean with set pieces. Because they have that triangular shape, you can buddy them up like this, and they just pack great inside any bag. Inside this one, I'm keeping a bunch of random necessities for my family. So I'll start pulling stuff out of here. I have a little baggie dispenser for any trash or messes. Along the same line, I also have a Bumpkins wet bag. Then I have a couple different pouches sitting in the bottom here. So the first one is my restaurant kit, and in here I am keeping a silicone straw, a Go Silly straw topper. We use this all the time. And then down in the bottom I just have a couple of utensils. And then because this is a snack bag and it's waterproof, anything that's messy can go right back in here, and I can clean it either with a wipe or when I get home or what have you. Then I have another snack bag, and in here I have some toilet seat covers. I have 2 flushable wipes, and I have some soap sheets in case they're out in the restroom. And then I just have some wipes, some other wipes tucked back in there. I have 2 deodorant wipes for myself and 2 bug wipes for me or for my children. And then I have a just in case emergency time of the month product down in there as well. Alright, then I have 2 medium set pieces. The first one here is just filled with a whole bunch of busy items for my kids. I have like pullback cars and Bluey characters and dinos. And then I also have this little popper, which can keep my toddler busy if we're having a moment. And then the last pouch in here is my everything pouch. I mean, you name it, it's probably in here. We've got hair ties, we've got ointment, we've got deodorant, we've got a bug bite thing. Look, there goes a hair tie. I have a sunscreen stick, I have my pill case, so anything we might need for boo-boos or medical needs or any toiletry type items, I just stick in here and it stays nice and together. Alright, now that all of the pouches are out of the bag, let me show you the internal organization. So you do get a zipper pocket along the back, and this is where the changing pad will come. I obviously don't have kids in diapers anymore, so I have removed that. And then on the front of the bag, you do get 1 slip pocket, and this is just where I'm keeping my package of wet ones. And then in this back zipper is where I'm keeping a doodle pad for my kids. And then I have a notebook for me. And lastly, I have a travel-on packing case with some colored pencils. Alright, we've made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching all about this Andar Sydney backpack. I will have it linked down below. My link does earn me a small commission if you purchase through it, which helps support my family and my channel. So if you purchase using that link, thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day, whatever you are doing.